Okay, let's talk about converting mixed numbers to decimals and decimals to mixed numbers. Okay, when we're taking fractions and putting them to decimals, we have to look. The first one says 5 3/100ths. So remember, we're going to write 5 because it's our whole number. That and stands for your decimal, and 3/100ths. Remember, hundredths is 2 places after the decimal. So 5.03, 5 3/100ths. Number 2, 6 2/10ths, 6.2. Remember tenths is 2 places after the decimal. 6 is your whole number, 2/10ths is your fraction. Number 3, 9 54/100ths, 9 decimal point 54. Number 4, 7 5/10ths, 7 decimal point 5. 4 39/100ths, 4 decimal point 39. 2 58/100ths, 2 decimal point 58. Try 7 through 12 on your own. See what you get. Go down to 13. Now we're going to take the decimal and put it into fraction form. 3 84/100ths. Remember that decimal point stands for and. So your 3 is your whole number, and then your 84 is what comes after the decimal, which is hundredths, because it's 2 places after the decimal. So you would write 3/84/100. 35 7/10ths. 35 is your whole number. 7/10 is your fraction. 1 49/100ths. 1 is your whole number. 49/100 is your fraction. 8 2/100ths. 8 is your whole number. 2/100 is your fraction. 6 14/100ths. 6 is your whole number. 14/100 is your fraction. 4 1/10. 4 is your whole number. 1/10 is your fraction. 1/10. Remember, this decimal point means and. So this is your whole numbers and these are your fractions. Try the rest on your own. Try 19 through 24 by yourself. See how you do. Let's turn over to the back side. Let's do the back side together. Remember, that decimal point means and. Number 1, which shows the mixed number 7 28/100ths as a decimal. 7 is our whole number, and then our decimal is 28/100. So our correct answer is going to be D, 7 28/100ths. Number 2, which shows the mixed number 14 9/10ths as a decimal. 14 is our whole number, so it's got to come before the decimal. 9/10ths. Tenths is only 1 place after the decimal, so our answer has to be B, 14.9. A is 14 9/100ths. C is 1 49/100ths, and D is 149,000ths. Number 3, which shows the number 2 5/100ths as a decimal. Okay, be very careful. 2 is our whole number, but 5/100ths. Okay, so we're looking for 2 places after the decimal. So 2 is our whole number, and then 5/100ths. So our answer is going to be A. Don't get confused and pick C. C is 2 5/10ths. D is 25 1/10, and B is 25/100ths. Number 4, which shows the mixed number 9 62/100ths as a decimal. So 9 is our whole number, and then we have 62/100ths. So our answer is going to be C. A is 96 2/10ths. B is 9 62,000ths, and D is is 962 thousandths. Number 5, which shows the mixed number 8 and 3/10 as the decimal. 8 is your whole number, 3/10. Tenths is the first place after the decimal, so our answer is going to be D. A is 83 hundredths. B, don't let B confuse you, it's 8 and 3/100. And C is 83 and 1/10. Try 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 on your own and see if you get the correct answers. Remember, when you look at a fraction or a decimal, say the decimal out loud. Use that decimal point and say the word and, 7 and 28 hundredths. If you say it out loud, you'll get it right every time.